Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap out the drive shafts on a E Revo 2.0. Now, this isn't very difficult, it's pretty easy actually, but it can be puzzling if you never really worked on RC cars that much. So I'm going to show you what to do, that way it'll go nice and smoothly whenever you have to do it yourself. This is the replacement part right here, is parts number 8650. This is all that's in the bag, just a shaft, that's all you need. You're going to use the rest of the parts that's already on the E Revo. This costs like 13 bucks, so it's under $15, I imagine, no matter where you get this part at. So it's not terribly expensive, but it can be kind of pricey if you break them pretty often, which I don't. I've only broken one so far. Here's the shaft I broke. You can see it just snapped completely off. And I'm not entirely sure what caused it to break. I watched the video and it didn't seem like the landing was too bad. I think it was cracked or something before it actually broke in the video. I don't know, but it broke anyway, so. Start off by taking the wheel off. Now, in the previous E Revo, the V1, it actually has a screw, like a set screw that goes inside of here, but this doesn't have it. You can see this is a pin that goes all the way through it. And so what you have to do is stick your Allen wrench inside of there. And there's a set screw that you unscrew. And then the pin will come right on out. The hub comes off like this. You can push that whole section out. And it comes right on out. You might as well go ahead and unscrew the pivot ball, because you have to take this apart to get the drive shaft back in. There it is. Now that you have this apart, what you're going to do is take this bearing and slide it down just a little bit, and it's going to expose that little pin. You're going to push that pin out. There we go. This piece comes out. Then there's this little cylinder-like pin that comes out of this, and it's apart. To put it back together, just reverse your steps. Put this pin in. Kind of hard to get it lined up. Try your best. There you go. Put that pin in. Alright, it's in. Push the bearing back. There it is. Alright, to get this back in, I'm going to push it in there first, and then I'm going to put it in on that end. Screw the pivot ball back in. Those boots are just horrible, aren't they? They always tear off and never stay in there. There we go. Be sure not lose that little plastic piece that comes out of here. There we go. Now just put the hub back on, line up the holes, put your pin back in. There we go. Tighten up the set screw that's inside of here. Make sure that pin is nice and flush. I can get a little bit flusher. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's put the wheel back on and we're ready to go. There it is, good to go. I need to replace this one over here. Look how crooked. I don't know if you can see how crooked that thing is. It is so badly bent. Got it moving. That's crazy. I need to replace that one too. I'll get to it. Not right now. I'll probably wait till it breaks. See how long it holds out. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you out. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.